Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make realistic YouTube thumbnails with AI. It's step by step using Leonardo AI. It's super easy and you can do it in just a few minutes. So let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is open ChatGPT. The reason we start in here is because the secret to a great thumbnail is having the right prompt. For example, let's say the video we're making is called Work Smart with AI. All we need to do is type something like this, write a thumbnail prompt for Leonardo AI to create a realistic YouTube thumbnails for the title Work Smart with AI, like this. And just like that, ChatGPT will give us a professional prompt that we can use like this. But of course, to get the right prompt like this, you can adjust the title or add details depending on your video. But the idea is that ChatGPT will help us create something much more effective than if we try to write it from scratch. Now once you have your prompt like this, let's go over to Leonardo AI. But first let's copy the prompt like this, and then let's open Leonardo AI. And then just click on generate. And then just tap on image generation, this one, and then just paste your prompt like this, and then just choose the model, just tap on it. And then to generate a thumbnail, I recommend choosing Flux Snail because it's fast, reliable, and give really good results for thumbnails. Just choose Flux Snail like this, and then don't forget to set the aspect ratio. Just click on settings and then choose 16:9, since that's the perfect size for YouTube videos. And once everything is ready, just click on generate, this one. And see, in just a few seconds you will see multiple versions of your thumbnails appear like this. Just take a look and choose the one that you like best. And as you can see, the thumbnails is incredible. It's very realistic like this. But if you are not satisfied with the result, you can always tweak your prompt and then hit generate again until you find the perfect fits for your video. And okay, maybe that's it. With ChatGPT that helping you craft the right prompt and Leonardo AI creating the image, you can make professional eye-catching YouTube thumbnails in just a few minutes. Okay, if you found this tutorial help you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!